What do you think of when you hear a motorcycle engine's roar? Do you picture an intimidating, rough-looking biker? Or do you see a soul God can love and bring into fellowship for worship and enjoyment of His Creator? Though often overlooked, there are great opportunities to get the gospel to thousands in the biking world. It is an unusual subculture, but the field is enormous. The American Motorcyclist Association estimates 9 million motorcycles were in use in the United States in 2012 and 349,000 new Harleys were sold in 2006. Because of the mystique and popularity of Harleys, they are State Line Motorcycle Ministry's main emphasis. And there are good reasons for this, because of Harley's unique place in American life and culture. Begun in 1903 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Harley-Davidson grew to become the world's largest motorcycle manufacturer by 1920. American troops in World War I and World War II benefited from the economic and efficient transportation offered by the bikes. But military conflicts up to the Gulf War have played a different role in the biking world. Veterans returned to the States and many had a hard time fitting back into society. They missed the camaraderie and purpose provided by combat. So, searching for a place to fit in, many joined biker clubs and Harleys were usually the bike of choice. Today, the biking world has two distinct groups we're reaching with the gospel. Our primary group is the hardcore biker. His life revolves around his bike and biker friends. A second group emerging in the last 2 decades has been the upscale weekend riders. They like the individuality symbolized by the bike, but it is an expensive hobby, not a way of life. You may wonder how we contact bikers and seek ways to minister to them. Good question. Come spend a little time with us. Hop on the back and hang on. We'll take you for a quick tour of our ministry efforts. Daily and weekly responsibilities include study and prayer, one-on-one discipling, Bible studies and fellowships with bikers, organizing for regional or national events, and sharing our ministry with interested churches, businesses, and individuals. Seasonal activities and key events fill up our yearly calendar. In March, we pack up the coffee wagon and head to Bike Week in Daytona Beach, Florida, a 7-day event drawing over 500,000 bike enthusiasts from all over the world. 6:30 in the morning finds us setting up downtown on Main Street and ministering until 7 in the evening. We have counted as many as 210 people per minute walking by our coffee wagon. They are sheep having no shepherd, some searching for green pastures only Christ can offer. April brings a 3-day regional rally. May is a big month including Bike Week in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Then over Memorial Weekend, we head to our nation's capital for a 3-day event called Rolling Thunder, which is highlighted by the Thunder Run. Over 130,000 motorcycles fill the Pentagon parking lot before riders cruise to the Vietnam Veterans Memorial Wall. June, July, and August are sprinkled with one-day rides attracting a wide variety of individuals. Fall gets busy in a hurry with 2 rallies and a retreat in September. October offers 2 big outreach opportunities with Biketoberfest in Myrtle Beach and Daytona. Towards the end of the month of November, we begin our involvement in holiday charity runs. The toy runs, where bikers provide gifts for children of needy families, continue through December. And we close the year with a Christmas fellowship event. All these opportunities would not be possible apart from the doors God has opened through the years, yet there is so much more we can do. What started as a part-time outreach in 1990 grew into a full-time call into ministry in 1998, which continues today. For accountability, State Line Motorcycle Ministry is incorporated as a non-profit organization with a board of several godly advisors. In addition to volunteer help, Glenn and Betty Taylor are presently seeking full-time support. Donations and regular support are used to help with Bibles and literature given out freely to the bikers, with travel expenses and with operational expenses such as mailings, long-distance phone calls, and vehicle maintenance. How can you pray for us? First, that all of us involved would not allow the ministry to overshadow our personal walk with God, which includes loving Him with all our heart, soul, and mind. Second, that we would give ourselves to prayer and ministry of the Word while properly administering the ministry. Third, that God would continue to give us boldness that the gospel would triumph in the hearts of the bikers we contact. So, the next time you hear the roar of a Harley-Davidson, be reminded to pray for our ministry and rejoice in the opportunity to see God transform bikers into disciples of Christ.